In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-send emails with Gmail and n8n. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable workflow that sends emails on a schedule without you lifting a finger. All you need is access to your n8n instance and a Gmail account you're authorized to use. Start by opening n8n and heading to the Workflows section. This is your control center where you can create, edit, and monitor automations. Create a new workflow to get a blank canvas. You'll see a plus button that lets you add nodes. Begin by adding a schedule trigger. This trigger is what tells n8n when to run your workflow. Choose a cadence that fits your needs hourly, daily, weekly, or a custom cron expression if you're comfortable with that. While you're here, double-check the time zone so runs happen when you expect. If you're testing, pick a short interval or set a specific time a few minutes ahead. Next, add your action. Search for the Gmail node and select the Send a Message action. This is where you define what gets sent. You'll see fields for the recipient, subject, and message body. Keep it simple for your first test. Use a personal test inbox if possible. You can send plain text or switch to HTML if you want formatting later, but plain text is great for confirming the setup. If you need copies, there are CC and BCC fields as well. Before you can send anything, you'll connect your Gmail account. The node will prompt you to sign in either manually or using your Google account. Approve the requested permissions so n8n can send email on your behalf. After you complete the sign-in, confirm the connection in the node so it's saved for this workflow. With your email details filled in and the connection confirmed, it's time to test. Click Execute to run the node right away. This sends a one-off test using the values you entered and lets you confirm everything is wired correctly. Check the execution logs for a success message and look for the test email in the recipient inbox. If you don't see it, review the to address, subject, and connection status, and try again. A few quick tips. Start with a safe schedule while testing so you don't send multiple messages unintentionally. Be mindful of Gmail's sending limits and avoid mass mailing from a personal account. When you're happy with the test, keep the schedule you configured, save your workflow, and you're done. The email will go out automatically at the times you set.